Let's make a card. We're going to start with this cover plate die to give us this great background piece of white. Then we're going to cut part of a circle out of it. We're going to take our card base and we're going to put it into our stamparatus flush to the top and use a magnet to hold it in place. I'm going to lay our die cut piece over the top to help give us our spacing for our witch's boots. We're going to flip over the top plate of our stamparatus, pick up that stamp, and then the next thing that we're going to do is remove that die cut piece out of our way. That way we don't accidentally get any ink on it. Now we're ready to stamp, and I'm going to stamp it the first time. You'll notice I get good coverage but not great coverage, and so the bonus of a stamparatus is I can re-ink and go right back over it. And then our witch's boots look fantastic. Next we're going to switch to a pink ink pad with still some white cardstock, and we're going to take care of our witch's hat. I'm going to stamp it the first time, and again, since I went over it the first time with the boots, I'm going to go over it again with the hat just to give us that nice full coverage. I'm going to use some purple markers to color in the polka dots on our witch's hat. And for a full list of all the supplies I'm using on today's video, just check out my link in bio. Once our polka dots are filled in, then I'm just going to color in one line with the same purple on that witch's hat brim. I'm going to take some different colors of markers and we're going to color in the stockings. I love having them a little bit different color, so I put the pink at the top in case we cover that up with our witch's hat, but I'm also going to do the buckle to reinforce that pink color and bring it down lower onto our image. Next up, we're going to use that same purple that we did on our witch's hat for also on our little stockings, and then the next color that we're going to bring in is a bright, vibrant green. I love the way this green looks. So it's time to punch out our witch's hat. I love that. Get rid of all of what I call our punch poop out of the way. Then some liquid glue behind our die cut piece. I'm just kind of going in a random pattern with it, trying to get glue into little nooks and crannies. We're going to flip this over and put it in place. Make sure to press down on all your sides to make sure you've got it not wonky in any areas. You want it nice and flat. Couple dimensionals behind our witch's hat. Put it in place, and just like that, my friends, we are done with our cutie patootie card. Make sure that you follow iToot Stamping for more card making ideas and inspiration.